I wonder if you've been watching the World Cup matches. If you have, you'll notice that the players have been taking hydration breaks. Now, even if it interrupts the play a bit for us as viewers, do you know what? It is good to be hydrated. It's good for us also to make sure we drink enough water. Well, one time Jesus said to people, he said, if anyone's thirsty, let them come to me and drink. And he wasn't talking actually about physical, literal water. He was actually talking about a spiritual thirst that we might have that he would fulfill. He was talking about his spirit, the Holy Spirit. And he said, if you do come to him and you do drink, you'll receive living water, a water that never runs out, a water that never runs dry, a water that will always quench your thirst. So are you thirsty? Come to Jesus and drink.